This is Signal Daily News, marketing news that actually matters to your business. Here's what you need to know today. You've probably seen the hype about AI doing your marketing, but here's what nobody's telling you. It's not about replacing your brain. It's about giving it room to breathe. We're tracking a new blueprint from owner.com on local SEO workflows, and it's refreshingly honest. The headline? AI can handle 80% of the grunt work. The tricky part? That last 20% is where your business actually wins. Think about it like this. Imagine a team where the robots do the repetitive stuff. The citations, the basic listings, the first drafts. That's the 80%. But then, there's a gate, a human check. Someone who looks at the output and asks, does this sound like us? In our assessment, that's the real shift. AI is moving from a single tool to a whole system. It's not one robot. It's a chain of them mimicking a real team's workflow. They pass the work along. And at the end, a person signs off. So, what does this mean for your business? Simple. If you let AI run wild, you're a liability. Search engines are getting smarter. They can smell unedited, robotic content, and they're starting to penalize it. That makes human oversight a compliance issue, not just a quality preference. But here's the good news. The bottom line isn't about cutting costs anymore. It's about reallocating your talent, your time, your judgment. Let the machines handle the volume. You handle the voice, the strategy, and the trust. Here's your move this week. Don't chase the newest AI tool. Instead, map out one repetitive task. Maybe it's responding to reviews. Maybe it's updating your business hours across the web. Automate that part. Then set a strict rule. Nothing publishes without a human eye on it. That's your quality gate. That's your briefing. Full story at Signal Daily News. Go grow your business. We'll keep watch on the news.